And this one here, if anyone cares to watch, you will catch the toy helicopter, whatever. So as I said, you will catch, when it rains, you'll catch some dirty ass Indian named Rainwater in here. Right there. It'll be brown, yucky. Well, no offense, but it's gonna be that color, water. Probably gonna be like creosote tea where it's collecting it. But there's some paint in there, so I found your little megaphone. Alright, anyway, I don't know the longitude, latitude offhand. And it will make noise. It takes a lot of wind.